This video is sponsored by Stillhead Technologies, an all-in-one digital system that will boost profits for powder coaters of all sizes. Stillhead Technologies and Calvary Industries have partnered up to present a Tides of Still Sweepstakes. This is running from January 1st through March 31st. You are not going to want to miss it. Check out the video. Think you've got what it takes to be a powder coater? It's not just a job, it's an art, a skill, and sometimes a battle. Today we're breaking down what it really takes to join the powder coating pros. From skill and technique to patience and precision, let's see if you have what it takes. Steady hands and sharp eyes. Powder coating isn't just a spray and pray, although we do that sometimes. You need steady hands and laser focus. One uneven pass and your finish could be ruined. Think you could keep your cool under pressure? Consistency and concentration is key. Can you keep that powder flowing perfectly? Fast and accurate. Due to potential deadlines and sheer volumes, getting parts prepped, powder coated, and packaged on time is essential for customer service and satisfaction. You'll also need to be accurate, in addition to being quick, because poorly powder coated parts will need to be redone, massively slowing down the process. Redos can cost 4 times the money, so be fast but also accurate. Attention to detail. Miss spots, overspray. If you don't catch it, your customer most likely will. Be sure to discuss with your customers beforehand on what they deem as an acceptable or good quality. After that, try to exceed their expectations when possible. Powder coaters need to be detail freaks. Having due diligence and an attitude of getting coatings as close to perfect as possible is the name of the game. Heat tolerance. Here's where the magic happens in the oven. Precision in temperature and timing makes or breaks your finish. Too cold and your product won't be cured. Too hot and you're most likely going to burn it, discolor it, and lose gloss off the product. Can you handle the heat? Literally, here in our shop in Iowa, the temperatures inside can get up to 120 plus degrees. So remember to stay hydrated, cool off in an air-conditioned facility when necessary. Physical demands. Powder coating can be a very physical, demanding job. You'll need to be working on your feet, lifting heavy parts, and working in hot environments. Other hands-on activities include sanding, cleaning, masking, and plugging, as well as packaging and more. You will have to tolerate a lot of repetitive movements and potential long hours of standing in one spot. Be sure to wear relevant PPE, such as gloves or face masks, to keep your body safe. Creative flair. Powder coating isn't just about the durability. It's about creativity. Your imagination is your only limit. Have you ever tried creating a textured finish, coating unconventional items, or going for other various creative custom coats like a nebula design? Powder coating is an art form. Resources. You need the proper resources and equipment to actually get the job done, and this list can get very long. This can include sanding tools, powder coating guns, curing ovens, spraying setup, wash bays, air supplies, powders, cleaners, solutions, PPE, and more. You may have access to a lot of these if you work under a powder coating employer, but otherwise, if you're on your own, you're going to have to go out and obtain the necessary equipment. Also, powder coating can take up a lot of space, so you may have to rent or dedicate a big chunk of space just for it. Patience and practice. Last but not least, powder coating requires a ton of patience and practice and can be one of the most frustrating things you will ever do. Not every job will come out perfect on the first try. It will take a lot of trial and error for you to tackle the variety of issues you may encounter in the process, such as back ionization, fish eyes, orange peel, and more. Remember, all powder coaters face these issues from time to time. A bit of patience and practice can go a long way. Feel free to walk away, do a mental reset, and come back with a clear mind. Continually researching, talking with other professionals, and learning more about powder coating is a great habit to overcome many of these problems. So, do you have what it takes to be a powder coater? Check out this video for more info. Drop a comment down below if you're already there or you think you are able to be a powder coater today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. We will see you on the next one. Get out and coat something.